This podcast is sponsored by ScienceBasedLearning.com. Discover your passion for languages with our innovative ebook, audiobook, and video system. Maximize retention using spaced repetition. Start your journey today.
Visual resources for faster language acquisition. How visuals enhance adult language learning. Explore how visual resources boost language acquisition and retention. Learn practical ways to use visuals for adult language learning success. Visual resources for language instruction, making learning engaging and effective. When it comes to language acquisition, one of the most impactful tools you can use are visual resources. Whether you're just starting out or advancing your skills, visuals help make abstract concepts concrete, boost memory retention, and support faster recall. For adult language learning, where motivation and consistency can sometimes wane, integrating visuals into your routine provides an engaging way to stay on track. Let's talk about how visual resources can enhance your language learning journey and how you can effectively incorporate them into your study sessions. Why visual resources matter in language learning. Humans are naturally visual creatures. Research in the science of language learning shows that pairing images with words strengthens connections in the brain. When learning vocabulary or grammar structures, a visual cue acts as an anchor, making the new information easier to retrieve later. Improved memory. Visuals trigger dual coding. Your brain processes information through both verbal and visual channels. This strengthens memory pathways. Contextual understanding. Pictures or videos give context to new words or phrases, helping you understand how they're used in real life. Increased engagement. Looking at images or videos tends to be more enjoyable than solely reading text, encouraging longer study sessions. Immediate feedback. Visuals can help you self-correct by showing the right way to say or write something. Types of visual resources for language instruction. Different types of visuals serve various roles in language learning. Here are some common and effective types you might want to explore. Flashcards. A classic tool, flashcards combine imagery with words. Many apps include spaced repetition techniques, which help maximize retention of new vocabulary. Infographics. Infographics simplify complex grammatical rules or cultural tips through visuals, making information easier to digest. Videos and animated clips. These show language in action, helping with pronunciation, intonation, and cultural nuances. Platforms like YouTube offer countless free lessons using visuals. Picture dictionaries. Especially useful for beginners, these provide thematic word lists paired with images. Mind maps. Mind maps visually organize vocabulary by themes or grammatical categories, which aids in structuring your knowledge. Subtitled media. Watching TV shows, movies, or even podcasts with subtitles turns passive watching into active learning by reinforcing connections between spoken and written language. How to integrate visual resources into your study routine. If you're wondering how to learn a language more effectively, here are some strategies to weave visuals into your adult language learning habits. Mix and match. Don't rely on just one type of resource. Combine flashcards with videos and infographics for a varied experience that keeps things fresh. Create your own materials. Taking the time to make your own flashcards or drawings personalizes learning and reinforces memory. Use apps that emphasize visuals. Many language learning platforms are designed around images and spaced repetition, which supports long-term retention. Set visual goals. For example, aim to learn and retain 30 new vocabulary words a week with matching pictures. Visual progress helps maintain motivation. Engage with native content. Watching videos or TV shows in the target language with visuals helps you absorb real-world usage and idiomatic expressions. Why science-based methods make a difference. The science of language learning guides us toward methods that prioritize how our brain works naturally. Visual resources play into this by offering immediate contextual clues and helping learners encode and retrieve information more reliably. One system that embraces these principles is the ScienceBasedLearning.com platform. It offers a simple ebook, audiobook, and video language learning system combined with an online practice app that uses the science behind spaced repetition to maximize your learning and retention. This makes it easier for adult language learners to build vocabulary, improve comprehension, and speak more confidently. Final thoughts. Incorporating visual resources into your language study habits is a powerful way to fast-track your progress. Whether you like using flashcards, watching videos, or drawing your own diagrams, visuals create meaningful connections that support language acquisition in a natural, enjoyable way. For adult language learners who want to learn how to learn a language more efficiently, focusing on visually rich materials combined with science-backed techniques can make all the difference. If you're interested in a comprehensive science-based system that leverages visual resources with spaced repetition for maximum retention, be sure to check out sciencebasedlearning.com. Their simple ebook, audiobook, and video system paired with an interactive app might be just what you need to boost your language learning journey.